Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is, Dear Lord, as I read the scriptures, open my eyes so I can see you. In Jesus' name. What's up fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. In this video, we're going to be doing a dip nail kit that I got from Amazon right here. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. Don't mind my doggy back there. Poor thing. He had to get a cone on his head. But we're going to go ahead and jump right in. All right, fam, it's time to find out if this kit is the sugar honey iced tea. So right here, I'm just opening up the box to show you what it's looking like on the inside. It does come with a card that, says pretty much like, I'm happy or I'm not happy. So you can go ahead and judge them on that. But I absolutely love this little kabuki brush. It's so cute and soft. I love it. So I'm just showing you all the glitters that it comes with. Yes, honey, this is looking amazing. I mean, for $15, you can't go wrong. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So if you're wondering why I'm actually filing my nail, it's because my nail drill broke. Yes, honey. And right here, I just wanted to show you what the fingernail should look like after you're done filing. So the first step is we're gonna go in with that dip primer and we're gonna place that right along our nails. So the purpose of putting the primer on is pretty much so that it dehydrates the nail a little bit more than what it does when you file your nail. Go figure. But yeah, that's what that does. And the second thing we're going to do is go ahead and apply the dip base coat. So that is what you're going to use to adhere the product to your fingernail. As you can see, don't make a mess. But yeah, I thought it was super cool, super amazing. And this is going to be the second dip. Y'all, I don't know what happened.
Damn, homie. What?
Like, my fingernail definitely came out jacked up, and then I proceeded to try to make a design on my nail. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. Y'all gonna see this here. Oh. Oh my God. What? Oh my God. Yo, I don't know what was going on there, but we're going to do this a different way. So we're doing exactly what we did the first time, but this time we're going to add activator instead of another base coat. See? And it comes out phenomenal. Okay, fam, so I'm cracking up right now because I definitely tried it. So I put the dip straight to the T, like the instructions say. I promise you I did. But what I think I did wrong is because it says repeat the step, to build it up. So I'm thinking you gotta build it up and then apply the activator. No. I might put it in here, me laughing, because I am dying laughing. I did one coat of the dipping powder with the base coat. Of course, the primer was already on there. And then I put the activator, so now it's hard. This, I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what's going on. So I think I have to keep doing the same step over and over and over, the whole steps. Look at this. What is this? I call myself making a design. Y'all, this is not doing me justice because this is my first time using dip. I promise. All right, fam, so now we're going to get on to doing this the right way, okay? We're going to be using our dip base coat. We're going to apply that, dip it in, let it adhere, Then dust all the excess off, okay? And then we're gonna add our activator so it cures, because that's what that's doing, so it becomes hard. And then after that's done, everything is all set and your nails look great. If you guys have any suggestions on how I can do this quicker, faster, and better, please comment down below and let a girl know. Apply the base coat, then you dip, then you activate. After you activate, you dry. You let it dry. It takes about 20 seconds. So this is a very long process. You gotta have patience. Girl, it is like nighttime and I don't think I'm gonna get through this. So I think I'm gonna end up taking these off, but this was fun. I'm sorry that this was a bust. I'm gonna practice on my little mannequin hand and I will be back to show you more. I wanna thank you for joining me on my Amazon review of this dip kit. I don't know if it's the you know what, but it could be because I don't quite know what I'm doing yet, but I got it down. This one is actually smooth. This one, honey. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna have to try to remove this. And I love you guys. And I will see you in my next video.